La-da-day, la-da-day. La-da-day.
Are you ready to go bowling, Mr Tumble?
Not quite. My bowling ball is still not shiny enough for the shiny spinner. Wait, I've got an idea. Woohoo! Ta-da! Ho-ho-ho-ho! Now for some super shining. Hey!
Wow, that was some very speedy shining, Mr Tumble.
Yes, it was. Thank you.
Now is it time to bowl, Mr Tumble?
Oh, yes! Woohoo! Oh, no!
What's happened to your bowling ball, Mr Tumble?
Well, I've shined it so much, it's shrunk.
But you're still going to show us your bowling skills, aren't you, Mr Tumble?
Yes, of course.
Good luck, Mr Tumble.
Oh, thank you. Right, here we go. Hey!
Oh, nearly, Mr Tumble. Why don't you keep on trying? Ooh, this is the last turn, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes, my last chance to knock down a bowling pin.
I'm sure you can do it, Mr Tumble. Wait, you haven't tried the shiny spinner yet, Mr Tumble.
Of course, the shiny spinner. Wait. Hey, yep, up. I did it! I knocked down all 10 pins! Strike! Woohoo!
Great shot, Mr Tumble.
Thank you! Well, you can't go wrong with the shiny spinner.
Mr Tumble,
Yes?
please can you show us the sign for shiny?
Oh, yes! Shiny! You sign! Shiny!
Thank you, Mr Tumble. You're our friend.
Oh, and you're my friend. We're all friends. I love to laugh and giggle. And if you want to join us for some more laughing and giggling, then you can find us on BBC iPlayer. Woohoo!